What makes the Sacramento Promise Zone so special is that this is also about the heart of a city, the soul of a city, and a city's ability to actually show the kind of compassion and caring for others.
The Promise Zone was an initiative that launched in 2014 and really was a way that the federal government wanted to establish new and really more productive partnerships with regions and communities and neighborhoods.
The Promise Zone is really targeting on just basically 5 areas. It's education, health, jobs, economic development, and sustainable community revitalization.
Well, the Promise Zone is really a very exciting opportunity for Sacramento. And really, when you think about it, we're in a very elite class of cities to be selected. And it really means that the federal government is now going to concentrate those resources in a way that they haven't before.
It's really a humbling experience to be able to work with so many amazing partners representing United Way. And representing the aspiration that we have for all of the residents who live in this region, to be able to live in safe, affordable, stable housing, to be able to access job opportunities, to be able to educate their children, really to be able to break the cycle of poverty for so many in need in our region. We know that the literacy rate within Promise Zone communities is about 43%, and so we've got some work to do there. And we were able to provide literacy resources for free to communities to use within summer meal programs, as an example, as well as in after-school programs.
The Promise Zone is part of our neighborhood. We believe that we have a responsibility to be there, to be the Yes University, to reach out and help those people there.
For Sacramento City Unified, the Promise Zone is an opportunity to engage our community partners in ways that we've never thought of before, new creative ways. Success to me will be dramatically improving outcomes for students, changing trajectories so that students are more college and career ready when they leave our school system.
For us, it means job creation, it means economic development, it means education.
But what most people don't know is that the number one determinant of one's health is actually one's education. And so for us, what we're really excited about is the opportunity for young people to get the type of education that really gives them every opportunity to secure a great job.
In healthcare, I mean, the idea of just simply focusing prevention will prevent further costs to people in their lives, as well as to the economy as a whole in healthcare costs. So that kind of effort is very, very valuable.
The great thing about the Promise Zone initiative is that it really offers us the opportunity to collaborate with a number of partners across the region. When you're looking at dealing with issues around poverty and underemployment, a lot of folks have been working on this for a long time. Government, healthcare, education, the business community through funding nonprofits. But what's been missing is this collaborative, cohesive approach where everybody's in the same room working with the community to figure it out. That's what's really exciting.
This effort is not only important, but I think it's critical in terms of ensuring the economic vitality of these communities that we serve, to ensure that their quality of life continues to be on par with everyone else.
Over the 10-year lifespan of the Promise Zone, there's an opportunity for substantial improvement in the quality of life of the neighborhoods that are involved in the Promise Zone.
I see the Promise Zone as lifting the entire region. It's going to be a game changer for Sacramento.
To me, success means that the Promise Zone goes away and that it doesn't matter where you're born, it doesn't matter what your zip code is, but you have the same opportunities, you have the same resources, and your life expectancy isn't shorter because you now live within a different geographic area. So to me, success means that we're no longer a Promise Zone, we're just a city that has opportunities for everyone.